After an almost miraculous recovery from yesterday's waterproofing disaster, Luke and Jasmin's upstairs bathroom is back on track. They flipped their floor plan to create a separate living area and a bigger bathroom. This week, they're delivering the family-sized bathroom and a kid's bedroom, and have a budget of $43,000.
I am just loading up my tiles upstairs for my tiler to start, which is amazing.
Thanks to the High Pages Liverpool on Monday,
Big week.
Here we go.
they found a new tiler ready to start immediately. And he's got plenty to do. They're featuring 2 tiles in their bathroom, a large grey terrazzo tile across the floor and 3 walls, and behind the double timber vanity, a simple white subway tile.
My idea is that we had terrazzo. Terrazzo is quite full on. So the idea of that wall was it was meant to just be quite simple, not a huge feature.
We have a problem. Why is he doing bricklay?
What?
Why is he doing bricklay, not stacking them?
I walked up and I saw that it had been laid completely different to what I had visualised. I hit the roof, I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely lost it.
It's not what I wanted. This is not on the mood board. The mood board is stacked.
So they all have to be...
So don't change things on me.
So here's the problem. The subway tiles have been laid in a vertical brick-laid pattern with the tiles staggered, like a sideways brick wall. But Jazz wants them laid stacked, with the tiles lining up against each other.
When did this change?
First thing this morning, I said stacked, and then Ian's come in.
Yeah, because he's done it in his house. What do you do? It's not his house.
Some confusion. Our builder's just done a bit of a bricklay in his own house at home. I think Ian might have called it. Yeah.
I actually don't mind it.
I think it looks good, but what happens
wrong
is,
with
like, it takes...
Where were you when the tiling layout was being decided?
I was there. And I said stacked. We're having them stacked.
You sure you didn't get swayed?
No, 100%.
This is the mood board. This is what I planned. Why are we making design decisions and changing them on me? I spent hours doing these. They're critical, and I just get left out again.
There was some history where Luke and Ian had made a couple of decisions in the other bathroom and I got left out. And I was just saying, I felt quite left out. It's my house too. I am the boss. I'm saying I'm the boss when it comes to design, and I am.
I'm gonna pull these tiles off. All right, see you, bye. Okay.
Guess we'll pull him off, eh?
Hey, let's do it.
All right.
I think they just need to just leave me to make all the decisions. This is the mood board, this is what I want. I never pulled the trigger on it. It's not your fault, it's not your fault at all.
I've got a note here that says the system that is now in place, at your place, that I'm told here, it says in caps, everything must be approved by Jasmin.
Totally. Yep. Everything must be approved by Jasmin, and I mean it.
Who's the boss?
I'm the boss.
Who's the boss?
She's the boss.